You literally can now just turn this on with a drop down within a matter of minutes. Yeah, we're getting people saying, yeah, this is easy. I can definitely do this too. So first of all, we have had a couple of questions coming about pricing. Can I just ask, if you had a full-time employee, what the average full-time receptionist wage would be in your country? Now, in Australia, the average receptionist is on around $48,000 to $60,000 a year. That's the average receptionist income. And I am telling you now, it's not going to cost you that much when you turn on your AI staff member on TekMatix. Now, we are still playing with the pricing. We've got a little trial on there at the moment. This is going to be an add-on feature on top of the base subscription. And the reason why is because with AI behind the scenes, we do have to pay for every AI generated communication. So there is a cost involved. Now we're playing at the moment whether we do a pay as you go, where you pay just like you do with phone calls and SMSs. You literally just pay the costs directly for the AI usage. Or we are also considering, and don't quote me on this just yet, but we are trying very hard to make this happen, a fixed rate of just $150 a month for your AI
I
staff.
thought we weren't supposed to talk about that. You
I
promised
can't
me you wouldn't
stop.
share
I'm in
it.
trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. He was like, Sarah,
Man,
don't say the pricing until we've sorted it out.
it looks like you guys got potentially have access to this early bird offer that's really going to be a meaningful difference compared to paying for usage. That flat fee of $150 is insane. That is
Listen,
just such a
150
value.
a month for a full-time AI employee. It's an absolute game changer. Now, by the way, just to make this even sexier, that isn't just for the voice agent. Oh no, spaghetti-o. There is a lot more inside your TekMatix account than that is going to be included in that bundle, including up to date, new and improved conversation AI. Stick with me. What does this mean? Imagine if when somebody messages your Facebook DMs or your Instagram DMs or your Google business profile or your WhatsApp or your SMSs or your live chat widget that also comes for free in TekMatix, and your conversation AI agent not only can reply and have those conversations in text form, but can also book appointments for you, sell for you, and so much more. Now, TekMatix has been able to do this for well over a year. However, we've just dropped a few upgrades in there that make it way more customizable, can put way more training information in there, and it is going to blow your pants off, my friends.